Wow, did you wow, wow, did you watch that last video? I don't even know what happened there. That was something. Okay. Now, guess what? Yep. It's Crosley's Dry Lungs, the dual chaoscillator. My friend Greg had this thing that he built, the chaoscillator, and I was like, wow, that sounds fabulous. How did you do that? And he goes, oh, it's just a simple circuit, blah, blah, blah. So he turned me on to that he, stole from somebody else on the amazing internet. And I had this little case here that used to be a record player for playing records. Has it's actually stereo, right and left channels, and has a tone knob as well as an on-off and volume knob with the onboard amplifier. The onboard amplifier was completely salvageable, so I've gone ahead and done that. I've put in a light that draws a 1/2 amp of power and tends to make the power supply a little funny. A switch to change it from 3 to 5 volts, effectively choking the switches a little bit there. Line out for those of you who need that. VU meters to display nothing. This is one of my favorite sounding things that I've built. So much so that I went ahead and recorded 8 hours of this being played. Infinite noise. It's available on an 8 CD set. It's sold in pairs of CDs, so you can get the first 2 hours, the second 2 hours, the third 2 hours, or the fourth 2 hours, as you might imagine, or all 4 dual CD sets for the whole 8-hour thing. Did that with my friend Krista Lee Wolf. And so that's available. It's $20 for 2 hours, and or $50 for the whole thing. Right. Anyhow, aside from that, we have some switching options. Initially, when I built this, I had less switching, and I decided that I wanted a little bit more control because I liked how it sounded so much, and I wanted to play it for a while, and I thought a little more control would be nice. Plus, I didn't like the way the other buttons felt. These are simply triggers. This is a toggle to turn the trigger off or on one way or the other. That is to say, when I push this, it goes on, or when I push this, it goes off, depending on the setting of that button. And then these are potentiometers that adjust this random noise to make it slightly different in pitch, maybe. The 2 channels, well, totally separate, also sort of interact in this odd way because of the way that the amplifier is configured. So, anyhow, with all of that having been said, and it making it sound so majestic, let's have a listen to some white noise. you have it. And so much more that you might have besides the dual chaoscillator. All right. Look at that. Yeah. I hope the rest of your day is fabulous.